Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Shooky from the BT21 and McDonald's collab. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start with a curve across. Now let's draw a large curve up and back down for the shape of the body. And now let's hop inside and draw the face. Let's start with a line across. And a large curve down underneath to form the mouth. Now for the teeth, let's draw 2 lines down inside at the top. And close it off at the bottom. Now on top of the mouth here, let's add 2 circles for the eyes. And color these both in black. Now on top of the left eye, let's draw an angle down. And a curve on each end. And then close it off. And then color this eyebrow in black. Now for the right eyebrow, let's draw a small line across. Curve it up on each side. And a line at the top. And again, let's color this in black. And that's it for the face. Now let's hop underneath and let's draw the shape of the spaceship. Let's start with 2 curves down. And then close it off at the bottom. And then hop in and let's draw another line across at the bottom here. Now that we're done the shape of the spaceship, let's hop up and let's draw a curve on each side for the arms. Now let's hop to the bottom and add the flames with the point down and up on each side. And then another set underneath. And one more point down in the middle. And that's it for Shooky. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!